As a graduate trainee, I myself was interested in all of the career options that were available to me. We didn't have any programming at the time that answered any of those questions. And I was very lucky to have support both by Dr. David Weiss, our dean, and by Dr. Linda McManus, the director of the Office of Postdoctoral Affairs, to develop the programs that we have now. It started very holistically. I would invite presenters from the graduate school who were already here to talk about their careers, and then we also started inviting people from outside. I did this for about 2 years prior to graduating, and so before I graduated, I went to Dr. Weiss and said, you know, I really love what I'm doing, and I really think we could expand this, and I think it could grow. At the same time, he had started to interact with groups here locally in San Antonio that are all about shedding a light on and supporting biomedical science in San Antonio, and he had seen that there was this plethora of resource, which were all of these professionals locally, and had started to develop the idea of having a career advisory council. So it was both two things sort of simultaneously growing together. I approached him and said, you know, I don't want to leave San Antonio, and I'd love to build this thing. I'd love to create something together. And so I transitioned from graduate school into the position I'm in now with the Office of Career Development, and an arm of that being the Career Advisory Council. The Career Advisory Council at the time had only 10 or so members, but they were individuals that Dr. Weiss had met with and had identified as being really outstanding and potential mentors for our trainees. I met with those people again and started to build even more people, including more and more into the council, and it's grown into 30 plus members today, the same way, very holistically, one person kind of saying, oh, you should meet with so-and-so, or I'm meeting them, or David meeting them along the way. And then, you know, that's just one arm, right, the Career Advisory Council, but then we have these other types of things that we're doing here at the Health Science Center under the umbrella of the Career Office, or Office of Career Development. And those things too are just, you see the need, and I think it's easy, not easy, but I more quickly recognize the need because I was just there. I was just a student myself, and so I know what's needed. I remember the resources I wish I had, and so that's one reason why we're continuing to develop more and more programs, but then also I have such a great support system. I mean, the Graduate Dean's Office is amazing. Dr. Weiss could not be more supportive of this endeavor, and the same is true for the Vice President for Research Office and the Office of Postdoctoral Affairs, which is under that umbrella, and Dr. McManus. Together we are, you know, the sky's the limit.